Daniel, hope you are doing well. So I have set up your ClickUp project. So I am recording this video to show you everything like what I have done and how this process is working. So after review this whole project, then let me know if you need any changes and something. So basically I have set up your project according to this requirement, like I have read your all requirement like project goal, scope of work. Then I have set up this according to this, and I have set up workspace structure, workflow template, automation, uh, dashboard, and client intake form. So let's discuss step by step. So first of all, here what I have done. So here I have create a finance client workspace. So in this workspace, so I have create 4 folder like bookkeeping, payroll, tax, CFO, advisory. So first discuss first bookkeeping. So in this bookkeeping I have built a template and I have saved it. So like this is first bookkeeping and Ahmed monthly bookkeeping, something I have put these all dummy data too easy to understand, like here task name, service month, recurring, then status notes, then status like to do, in progress, waiting for client, and done. And here I have add all automation according to need, like when status change something. So like when status change, so send a message, then if done change due date, if change create a task, and something according to your mentioned documents. So if you want to duplicate this, here you can check out in template section and browse template. So here you can check out your all template, like month bookkeeping, monthly payroll, quarter tax, and CFO task list, because we have a 4 folder and we have a 4 template, and you can duplicate this template of each client. So this is bookkeeping template. If we check in payroll section, so here I have put this data. Even you can see this overview by board section. So this is board section. So in this list, like to do, in progress, waiting for client, done, with automation, like here is 5 automation, 1 automation is extra. Then similar this I have saved this template, and you can use for multiple clients and duplicate. Then third is the folder is text. So here quarterly text, you can use of each client with all information. Then purity, due dates, manual action like recent documents, flow and something with automation section. Then CFO advisory, here I have put all information and add the sample template, and you can use this template for multiple client and section. Then client intake form response. So here I have fill up the put the form of all custom field, like set up the form like client name, email address, service type, then prefer frequency, then business type, start date, something notes, and their data will be shown here in board and each list section. So I have just one confirmation in to you, like if you want to add automation, like when any client fill up the form, so in this moment their data will be put here in this section like client intake form. If you want to, when client fill up the form, so their data should be move in bookkeeping, payroll, CFO, your tax, we can adjust. And last is the client OPS dashboard. So according to this, your requirement in dashboard section, to do overdue task by client, and so more I have attached. Here you can check out like task status, like here in progress, waiting to do complete, then unassigned task, in progress task, complete task. Here I have added these extra because normally we use of each project of client workload by status. Here task due dates or overdue task by client. Here you cannot show something when you put data, then their result will be appear, then upcoming deadline and task by services. So I have set up this. So review this whole ClickUp system and let me know if you need any changes in something. So I am active here and I will provide you live support when you need something. Thank you and best of luck.